Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2020 GMC Terrain, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace your air filter. So air filter housing is right here, and to remove our filter we will have to remove 4 screws. They are holding, that is holding down. Let me get the flashlight. Okay. So there will be 4 screws. This one here, 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 and here. Okay, so those are 4 screws we're gonna remove. So let's take them out now. Okay, also one thing is I forgot to mention, they're not gonna come out. Okay, they're just gonna stay in the housing. Once you have 4 screws out, move the housing to the right, and here you have your filter. You will be able to just get it out. Okay, so I have this even here. Okay, so this filter is dirty. It should be changed. You can order your part at well, you say Amazon or eBay. Just get replacement filter, and that's it. So you see it's very dirty. Okay, so once you have the replacement part, I'm just gonna go to here. Just gonna put the filter back in and close this housing cap and put 4 screws back in place. Just tighten up, and that's it. That's the whole procedure. As you can see, it's super simple. Everyone can do this. And yeah, if this video helps, please press like button and have a great day. Bye bye.